Hello, welcome to this video. In this one we're going to be going over weak file permissions. So this relates to can you access sort of system sensitive files, um, other things such as cron jobs, is your a specific directory is writable, that sort of thing. It'll be a fairly quick one. I'm not going to be going over examples in here, but it's just something to be aware of just to pique your interest, things like that. A quick one before we begin. Just want to go over the layout of the videos and why they look a bit more corporate. Main reason, I'm not a video editor. It's not that I don't put effort into the videos. It's the way I look at it is, like cars, for instance. I'd rather have a car performing well than looking well. You know, that don't mean to say you shouldn't have pride in the appearance, things like that. Just means, you know, I'd rather put a lot of effort into my engine, the drivetrain, how it works, things like that, rather than maybe, oh, I've got a chip on some of my paint, things like that. I'm not a video editor, so I'm not. Yeah, I'd rather make something that's more corporate, a bit more structured and put together. Uh, good analogy for that. Let's say you've got a wife, she's absolutely stunning, she looks mint, but then every night she's out with 10 other blokes. Probably not a very good wife. That's the way I look at it. Anyway, onto the content. So, initial enumeration, going over, can you access shadow file? That'd be my first one, if you're looking for sensitive files. Can you write Etsy password? So check that one with LSLA, or not necessarily LA, just L, to see the permissions of the file. So if a specific group, or if your group can write to the password file, as it says there, can you replace the password to nothing? So just swap the X out and just leave nothing there in its place. Or can you change your group ID to 0 for root? A very easy one there. I've not actually seen that, but obviously it's always one to check for. Always check file permissions on interesting directories. Are scripts being run from a certain directory as root? Do we have write access, etc.? So for instance, if you're at the root, the file system, and you see a directory that you can't access, maybe there's another user on the machine that can access that. Check their access rights. If you can, if you can't, always try and access their account. Again, if you can do that, see if you can access it from them. Another good one's home directory. If you're, as one user, can't access something, just can't access another user's home directory, you shouldn't be able to. So you'll have to probably escalate to that user as well. Another thing to be aware of. Next one would be cron jobs. So in the directory that the cron is, or whatever directory, let's say you're in the directory of the cron file, can you write to that? Very simple one. The good one, the cron, where is it writing to? What is it writing to? That sort of thing. Can you sort of inject anything in that way? Just things to think about there. Nice quick one, short and sweet. On to the next one.